If you want free fonts, free graphics, free templates, free mockups, free textures, free backgrounds, free stock photos, so you will come across a website called Dealjumbo. Are you a t-shirt designer? Or are you a graphic designer? Or are you a website designer? And are you related to any field of graphics? Then this website is for you. Dealjumbo is a website that offers deals and freebies on various digital assets and resources, primarily catering to designers, developers, and creative professionals. These deals often include fonts. Dealjumbo frequently features discounts and giveaways for unique and high-quality fonts for graphic designers and typographers. I also teach you how to download the font from here. The method is that you click on this font. After that, an option will come to you below, where you have to write your ID, and then a link in your mail. Yes! Copy this link. Then you will have that font open. Install it. I will also show you another font. By downloading it, please look carefully. Graphics. You can find deals on vector graphics, icons, illustrations, and other visual assets that can be used in various design projects. Stock photos. Dealjumbo occasionally provides discounts and freebies on stock photos, which can be useful for web and print projects. Textures and backgrounds. High quality textures and backgrounds for use in digital and print design are sometimes featured in their deals. Many examples of clip art collection are available here for you to see. There is a wealth of stock images here. Ultimate Fruit Pack stock images. Animal Mascot T-shirt bundle. Watercolor clip art. .3D background. iPhone 15 Pro free mockups bundle. Also, there are many more mockups here. Halloween t-shirt design bundles are here. Let me tell you how to download the mockup and how to use it. Enter your ID in the box below. You will receive a link in your mail. Download this link. Please save it. Now I will explain to you how you can apply your design on the hoodie. Freebies. Here you will find countless graphics, mockups, tools, textures for free that you can easily use in your work. All the things here are not free. Some things you have to pay for, but the price is not too high, but the quality is very good. To access these deals and freebies, you can visit the Dealjumbo website and browse their offerings. Keep in mind that the availability of deals and freebies may change regularly, so it's a good idea to check the website regularly or subscribe to their newsletter to stay updated on the latest offers. Dealjumbo offers special deals and freebies on fonts, graphics, templates, and more for designers and creatives, helping them access high-quality digital resources at discounted prices. You should take advantage of it and improve your work so that you can earn a good amount. I have prepared this video with great effort for you. Please watch it, and if you have any questions, please ask me and visit the website of Dealjumbo. Many of my videos are available here. You can see them. Please subscribe my work. Thank you very much for watching the video.